In this video, we are going to demonstrate how you can make your self-service kiosks accessible for people who are blind or partially sighted with Supernova kiosks. Our demonstration is using an LG kiosk equipped with a Storm Audio navpad. During the demonstration, we will be using a simulation point-of-sale software created by Dolphin to order a pizza. With Supernova kiosks, people with low vision can use self-service kiosks independently with intuitive touchscreen magnification. First, let's turn Supernova on by tapping the accessibility button at the bottom left. A sound will be played so that your customer knows that Supernova is loading. With Supernova loaded, your customers can explore the screen with one finger, zoom in and zoom out using two fingers. The text in your point-of-sale software will always be clear thanks to Supernova's True Font technology. Customers can also apply high contrast colors so that they can view the screen clearly.
Item added to basket.
Supernova kiosks also includes a complete screen reader, enabling customers who are blind to use your self-service stations independently. People who are blind can turn Supernova on by plugging earphones into the 3.5mm jack. Once again, a sound will be played so your customer knows that Supernova is loading. Customers can explore the screen with ease thanks to the compatibility with the Storm Audio navpad keypads. Explore the options on the screen using the arrow keys on the keypad.
Margarita, £11.90.
All items on the screen are read out using a natural sounding voice. Once your customer finds the option they want, they can select it using the center button on the keypad.
Customize. Mozzarella cheese add. Mushroom. Add. Mushroom added. Red onion.
Supernova kiosks can facilitate complete accessibility across a range of business sectors, including hotels and hospitality, self-checkout, restaurants, healthcare, smart cities, and more. If you're a kiosk manufacturer and would like to try our Dolphin simulation, or are a point-of-sale software developer looking to make your self-service stations accessible, visit yourdolphin.com or send an email inquiry to kiosks@yourdolphin.com.